So this is the second soldering iron. As you can see, it's a Parkside soldering gun. So this bit here is the tip. This is the bit that melts the solder and heats it up onto the material that the solder needs to be applied to. As you can see here, there's a light to indicate that it's on, so you know it's at the right temperature to apply to the solder so it can melt it. Here is the button that you hold down to get this bit to heat up, and here is the handle with little grips for the user to hold it easily like this. It takes around 2 seconds for this part to heat up once this button's held in and it's being plugged into the wall. It's quite heavy, so you can't use it for a long amount of time, otherwise your hand will get quite tired. This bit can be changed for different ends for soldering different items, and you just screw these bits off here, and that's how you change it. This soldering gun is one of the quickest of heating it up. You know, when you've pressed the button down, because you can hear the click. So that's the second soldering iron that I've looked at. It's one of the best ones as it heats up quick and it saves energy as you hold the button down. It's not always having energy taken away to heat this up.